What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Rad and Dad channel video, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. Little different because I'm not on the tripod. I'm on a fixed mini tripod that I'm holding because we're going to be under the bike a lot today. So let's roll the intro. We'll come right back and I'll explain what we're doing.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a thing that you found.
All right, so on my 2025 Harley Davidson Road Glide in Purple Abyss denim, we're gonna be installing this skid plate from none other than the boys at THRASHIN Supply. So a couple reasons why you would want to do this. If you put your bike on and off a trailer, this is good protection. If you're in an area where there's a lot of stuff that gets kicked up or bumps or whatever, it's gonna protect everything kind of under where that's at, or under your frame. That was under where that's at. That just doesn't make sense. Yeah, under the frame is gonna pretty much protect everything there. Now, in itself, it's good. Softail's got some models for it. It's just a good thing to do. However, in this generation of touring bikes, it's particularly important to get something like this, in my opinion, because so these are not oil cooled. These are, well, I mean, technically they're oil cooled also, but they're water cooled bikes. So they're water and oil cooled. The heads are water cooled on these. So there's more lines that go through there. There's a little radius. There's just a lot of stuff going on that can very easily be severed, chipped off. One of the little kind of quick disconnect pieces, a hose could pop, or get a little bit sheared or whatever. A lot of things that a simple, relatively cheap part that barely adds any weight can fix and give you peace of mind. And then if you hit it on the bottom of a trailer or something, just something to give you peace of mind, especially if your bike is lowered or you're a very heavy individual and the bike sags a little bit more than someone a little bit lighter, or your suspension's not set up, whatever. Lots of different reasons. Let's go head onto the bike. This should be super, super easy to install. We're just basically to take off some bolts, put some Loctite on them, and put this back. Should be a very easy and quick install. All right, so that was super easy, very simple, really hard on your knees if you're in a tight space and you don't have a lift. I mean, I have a mini lift that I did put the bike on just to get to this side, the left side of the bike. But my knees are killing me, but that's not a product or a bike issue, that's a me issue. But no, honestly, the install is super easy to do. It's very nice that it's gonna be protected. You really don't even see it, honestly, which is a good and a bad depending on who you are. I want people to see aftermarket parts. That's why we put half of our parts on. So you can't really see it unless you really look there. Even from the right side, you really can't notice it. You reuse all stock bolts. If they're really bad and really crusty, clean them out with a little air compressor and even maybe some WD-40 and wring it out. Put some Loctite on it. They're dealing with your foot controls, your brake controls, and your jiffy stand. So you definitely don't want to have any of those bolts walk out over time. Other than that, install was easy, it's done. Let me know what you think in the comments. Check out the links in the description for all my playlist series for all of the other bike builds, including this one. The link for this part, coupon codes for Tugger Speed, affiliate links, all that jazz, Instagram, TikTok, everything. Like this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next time, ride safe, have fun. Dad out.